I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use circle formula step by step. Start by identifying the center and radius, then label R clearly on your diagram. Next, choose whether you need circumference or area and plug R into 2 pi or pi 2. I will walk through sample problems with simple numbers, show common mistakes to avoid, and give tips for checking your answers. To find a radius from a diameter, divide the diameter by 2 and rewrite units if needed. I'll demonstrate converting centimeters to meters and how that affects area calculations. We will solve a problem step by step using R from the diameter, substitute into pi 2, and simplify carefully. I'll also show a quick mental check to see if your result is plausible, so you feel confident when working with area and circumference. Decide if you need exact or decimal answers and stick to that choice. I'll explain when to leave pi symbolic and when to use 3, 14 for a quick estimate. We'll practice rounding rules and unit tracking so your area answers use square units properly. These simple habits cut down errors and speed up solving multiple circle problems in tests or homework.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.